Hi there, students. Omphaloskepsis. Okay, this is looking at your belly button, looking at your navel. Omphaloskepsis is navel gazing. And really the idea of omphaloskepsis is to look at your belly button, the hole in your tummy, in order to aid meditation. It's a meditational aid. It's contemplation of your navel as part of a mystical exercise. But this phrase navel gazing, also known as omphaloskepsis, is it goes further than that, because we use it where people are thinking about things too much. They're thinking about their self. They are self-absorbed. Omphaloskepsis is thinking about something to the point of being totally absorbed in your thoughts and not thinking about the world that goes around you, what's actually happening around you. Too much omphaloskepsis means that you end up not realizing what's happening in the world around you. So I'm guilty of omphaloskepsis when it comes to the small decisions. But omphaloskepsis, governments, when they need to make a decision, very often they suffer from omphaloskepsis. The committee gets down in omphaloskepsis. They just thinking and thinking and thinking and thinking, and they never end up making a decision. This is paralysis through analysis. If I don't make a plan for my weekend, I could spend the whole weekend lost in omphaloskepsis. So omphaloskepsis, it's a fixation with yourself. You're thinking about things. You're not looking at the larger picture. You're just looking at things, how they affect you. And people suffering from omphaloskepsis, very often they are thinking and thinking and thinking, and they never end up acting about the thing that they the thing that they're reflecting about. I need to stop this omphaloskepsis and actually start work and actually start doing something. Very often when I'm looking for words, I find a word and I go into a world of omphaloskepsis in my own mind and how this word affects me, and I end up there for ages without actually doing what I'm there for, was to make a video. So omphaloskepsis, contemplation of your own navel, so much self-awareness that you're not in the real world. You don't actually participate. You're so introspective. This is a question of introspective meditation, contemplation, reflection, rumination until into nothing, where you actually get nothing done. Maybe you could arrive at work and start with a little bit of omphaloskepsis in the morning and just keep thinking about this, how the world affects you, without actually doing anything. Oh gosh, it's suddenly lunchtime. Okay, so what about origin? Well, this comes from ancient Greek, is the origin at least. Omphalos, the navel, and skepsis, the perception or reflection. So you're looking at your navel. There were a group of people bent over in omphaloskepsis, looking at their navels, navel gazing. Formality. I think you want to use this word humorously. I'm not sure a lot of people are going to know the meaning of omphaloskepsis, but if you just say navel gazing, people will understand you. So formality. Woof. I think using it seriously, 9 informality. But if you're using it as a joke, you can use it anywhere. So, omphaloscepsis.